Hey yo, welcome back to the channel. It's Mr. Unstoppable, and today we're back on the reaction side of things, and apparently only a genius can solve these in 20 seconds. 94% of the people fail. So I want to see if I'm that 6% who actually get it right. Let's begin.
Number 10. Let's start out this test with an easy question. Look at this picture filled with cartoon elephants and try to find the odd animal out. I'll give you 10
You guys play along with me, yeah? So we have 10 seconds to find out which animal
However,
it is.
you should see it almost instantly.
I actually can't see anything right now. They all look just like elephants. Wait, I see one. There's like a panda on the far right middle.
Just in case you don't find it,
Yep,
the
see,
panda
I got
is
that one.
marked in red.
So far, I'm one of the 6%.
Number 9.
Okay, next up.
Study the image you see on screen and try to determine which tank will fill up first. You have 30 seconds to answer, however, pause the video if necessary due to the complexity of the question.
Which one will fill up first? I'm actually not sure about this. Surely it's one, no? Is it not? It might be 2, 3, 4. I actually do not know.
Both tank 3 and 4 will fill up first. Since the connector pipes leading out of tanks 1 and 2 are located at the bottom of the tanks, they won't start filling until tanks 3 and 4 are filled, which is why tanks 3 and 4 will both be filled at the same time. So
Yeah,
once those
that makes
tanks are
sense. I need
filled,
more
tank
time, I
2
can't
will
lie.
be filled completely and then
That
tank
actually
3.
makes sense. Yeah, fair enough.
Number 8.
Almost got it. Comment down below if you
Here's
got
a
that
tricky
one.
riddle. What's filled with T and starts and ends with T?
What's
You
filled
have
with
15
T
seconds to
and
answer.
starts and ends with T? I'm not even sure, bro. What's filled with T and starts and ends with T?
The answer
Teacup.
is a teapot.
Teapot.
Although some
Same
people
thing,
may
man.
have guessed it, there will be many people confused by this question.
Nah,
However,
same
here's
thing,
how to
same
work your
thing.
way
I'm
around
saying
it.
I got that.
A teapot is filled with tea. It starts with the letter T and also ends with the letter T.
Well, to be fair, teacup has a
7.
P at the end, so maybe I didn't get that. But yeah, alright, let's keep going.
How many F's can you see in this sentence? I'll give you some time to read it.
1, 2, 3, 3 F's.
Was your answer 4 or 5?
No.
Well, if it was, then you're unfortunately wrong, as there are in fact 6 F's in
6?
this sentence. The
Where's
reason
6?
why you most likely counted less than 6 is because our brain oftentimes skips words such as scientific as it's placed on 2 lines.
What?
Number
No,
6.
I need to go back on that. What do you
6
mean there's
F's in
6?
this sentence.
There's 1 in finished, 1 in files, that's 2. Then there's 1 in off, that's 3. 1 in scientific, which is 4. 1 in off again, which is 5. Where's the 6th one? Wait, where's the one I'm missing out? Am I dumb? He said there's 6. Finished, files, off again. Oh, I'm actually dumb, bro. I'm actually so stupid. There are 6. You know what? Fair enough. They got.
The reason why you most likely counted less than 6 is because our brain oftentimes
Fair
skips words
enough,
such as
man. I just
scientific
feel
as it's
stupid
placed
now.
on 2
Nah, I actually
lines.
feel so dumb.
Number 6. How many cubes make up this structure? You have 20 seconds to count, so if possible, try not pausing the video.
How many cubes make a what? What?
Lines.
What do you even say?
Number 6. How many cubes make up this structure? You have 20 seconds
1,
to count,
2,
so if possible, try
3,
not pausing the video.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
The
8.
answer is 9. If you
9?
didn't get that number, it's because only 6 cubes are visible. But assuming the structure
How is it
exists under
9?
the normal circumstances
1,
of
2,
Earth's
3.
gravity, in order to hold its shape, there must be at least 3 more cubes to hold up all the cubes.
Oh, I got 8. Bruh.
Number 5.
Can you find the mistake?
As it says in the picture, try to find the mistake hidden in this image.
Yeah,
You
well,
have 10 seconds to
mistake
find
is
it,
the
so try
spelling.
not to pause the video.
Yeah, that was easy. I got this one quick. It says Misatake, but it's actually mistake. Swap the T and the A. There you go.
If you were looking for the mistake in the numbers, then you couldn't possibly have found the mistake, as the mistake is in fact in the word mistake in the
What can I
sentence under
say?
the
Got that
numbers.
one right.
The reason why you most likely checked in the numbers first is because our attention is taken off the sentence the second we read it, due to there being a command.
Nah, I was too good with that one.
Number 4. Here's a page full of O's. However, within all those O's, there is the letter C hidden. Can you find it in 15 seconds?
A C? I cannot see a C anywhere, bro. What? Where's the C?
Just
There's
in
no
case you
C
haven't
here.
found it, it's marked in red.
Oh.
Now, if you did find it in the first few seconds, or
Nah, I can't lie. I was looking at the top. I was making my way down. I just reached the middle. I didn't even get to the bottom. So I probably would have gotten it. But it just took me a little bit of time.
instantly, then it means you're a very observant person and you can easily distinguish patterns. So if you did find it quickly, then give yourself a pat on the back.
Bro, I'm actually really bad at
Number
these.
3. Here's a tricky riddle, which till this day many people still get wrong. Now there could be multiple answers, however try the answer with the most obvious one. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? You have 15 seconds to
the
answer.
more it dries. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? I do not know. A towel, bro. What's going on? I don't know.
The answer is a towel, because the more you
I can't lie. I said towel, but I don't know how.
use a towel to dry yourself, the more water it absorbs from your body. Because
How does it dry? It doesn't dry.
to
then.
dry someone, it needs to get wet in the process. Read all these words out loud. Look.
Loast, coast, roast, ghost, host, roast, post, croast, nost, roast.
Coast, roast, ghost, host, woast, post,
So what? Get to the point, man. Like, what do you want me to do?
quost, nost, boast. Now quickly, what do you put in a toaster?
Toast. Oh no. Bread.
Answer toast? Well, you're not alone, as most people will answer toast after hearing words with a similar sound. However, the answer is in fact bread.
Nah, I got that in the end. Bro, like, pretty quick, I realized where I was wrong.
This question shows how easy it is for the brain to be manipulated. Number 1. Read this sentence you see in the triangle.
Paris in the spring. In Paris in the spring.
It says Paris in the spring, right? Well, unfortunately, not if you take a closer look at it. You will notice there are 2 thes in the sentence, and the reason that you probably didn't notice it at first is because our brain connects words into sentences faster.
Nah, bro, this video's actually got me, bro. What do you mean I got everything wrong? Nah, I get the thing, but the first second I literally get it wrong, so what's actually the point, man?
We can read.
If you guys enjoyed the vid, let me know what you guys scored, and hopefully I see you guys next time with another video soon. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe.